Hello, this is the Western Electric 30B without a faceplate. That's the key. Sorry for the glare, I have auto exposure on. That's the key, 8 levers. I need to set it better. Okay, 8 levers. First is here, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Fifth is a max lift, fourth is a min lift. You can't really touch this lock once you have set anything over like this position, because you will overset it, and that's because this lock only has one single spring for the whole pack, which is here. And yeah, once you like lift one lever, then the spring pushes on this lever that is higher than other levers, so the rest of the levers are floppy, and if you touch like a min lift during this time, this will overset it. Okay, all of the levers have false gates, which are quite effective. Maybe let's zoom in a little. Okay. What we want to do in this lock is to be smart with the way we handle lifting these levers. So I will demonstrate how I do it. For example, like F8, seventh, 6, avoid touching 4, okay, lift 5th, but it was too, we got into the false set, as you can see. That's not optimal, so we need to start over pretty much. Very sorry, I need to compress this part as well. Give me a second. I hope you'll be able to see. And I hope I'll be able to pick this lock, because the camera is in my face pretty much. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5th. We don't want to go into the false set to this extent. Let's pull on the bolts with our hands. 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, but that's still not what I wanted. Okay, that's well. That's good. It's okay. Lift one a little, 2, 3 a little as well, 8. And it's open. Requires a lot of focus and care to get it. Yeah, and if you go into a false set, at least for me, it's very difficult to pick out of these false gates and to like drop most of the levers. You can as well just start over at this point. Yeah, very demanding look to pick. I think that's it for this part. I hope you will enjoy the picking part. Come on. Never mind. Cheers. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the actual shit? Got it picked. Well, that's not something I have expected. But yeah, that's it. Ta-dam. Wow. This is a hard luck to pick. Hell yeah. Okay. You can show it picked. Let's cut this out. Okay then. Alright, that's the compressing spacer. Let's pull the camera a little bit up. That's the spacer that does compression of the pack. That's the first lever, which is a low lift. Spacer second, like medium low. Third, a low again. Let's pull this stuff out first, if we can. Would be easier. And third, low lift again. Fourth, which is a min lift, very minimal. I think you need to touch it, but you don't want to do it on purpose, because you will touch it with the shaft of your pick and that's gonna be enough. and when you get some lift out of higher lift levers, you basically can't even touch it because it will overset immediately. That's a highest lift in this lock. That's like medium high. That's like a medium low. It's like medium high. I have no idea how to take this out. Okay, like that. Okay. Huh. Right, let's go through the pack together and see these levers. Yeah, low lift. The false gate is like touching the part of the bolt at rest. It's like that. This false gate, you need to quite quickly lift it at least, so that the slip on the bottom is pushing against the bolt, so it doesn't fall in the false gate. Not like this one. Also false gate is here. You want it like that for start. Three is the same. As one. 4 is, yeah, min lift. Yeah, it's like that at rest. And that's the max lift, at least in this lock. Probably max lift, since it's 1A. Yeah, and like the lowest lifts in this lock outside of this min lift number 4. The others have stamped 6B. So if it's 1, then it's probably a max lift. And that's And yeah, it has a false gate just before the true gate. And this one has also a false gate. 5C. I can't really do that like that. And that's 3A, so the 8 is the same as the 6th here. Alright. That was a difficult lock to pick. I have tried to record it quite a few times already, like 20 plus. Fortunately, it takes only like 3 minutes to realize you have messed up and you have to start over, so it wasn't like long attempts like with most other so-called normal locks. Yeah, that's the housing. That's the thingies. Yeah, very well designed lock. It is difficult to pick, at least. But I have managed to do so at the end. Yeah. So I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Thank you for watching and bye bye.